This is a review of the Atlas gloves for gardening. We're doing a urban garden series. What do you put in your backpack? All the professional items that are required to do good work in urban environments, really any gardening, but currently working in New York City and Brooklyn. And this is the toolkit that I've put together with all the gear. And we're going to go over each product individually and how they fit together. So excellent gloves, pretty cheap. They're actually, I've washed these, you turn them inside out, you can wash them. They get pretty sweaty, but and then otherwise you can toss them. And you get a dozen of them for pretty good. I'll put the product link in the description, and they go in. They do. You can't really find anything that thorns don't pierce, but these will protect your fingers, and especially if you're like in pots and things, then your fingernails don't get full of dirt. Highly recommend. Good grip on them and everything. They're sort of just rubberized. These are medium. I should probably talk about sizes. I wear a medium, and my hands are handy. I'm like 5'10" and handy hands. I would have thought large, but I guess men have very large hands. I suppose women would get like smalls, because these are medium and they fit me perfectly. So unless you have really big hands, medium should be sufficient. And if you don't have big hands, then small should be sufficient. In the JanSport Odyssey 39 backpack, there's a front pocket for your cell phone, your battery, and stuff that I talked about in the other video. And then in the next pocket, you can put the booties in there. You can put the twine that we talked about in there, and you can put your gloves in there. It's good to have kind of a dirty pair and then a clean pair of gloves on you at any time. In case you want to switch over, or just depending on the work you're doing, if it's extra grubby, then you can use the dirty ones, and if it's kind of, I don't know, some newer things then that you don't want to get dirt on, then the new gloves are good. So this is AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews, and that's your section on gloves. See you in the next video.